Hello, it's John Deere Man 2009, and this is an update on the 1980 John Deere Liquifire restoration. Right now I'm in the process of flushing the fuel tank out, and I just removed the part of the pickup tube and the strainer. And there used to be a fuel line between those, but that disintegrated. And these are pieces that I've been getting out of the tank, and you can see they just turn right into like a mushy powder. So I've been tipping the tank over and trying to get all that old fuel line out, filling it with fresh gas, flushing out. I got a lot of varnish and buildup out of it. And this is the liquefier here. I know I said in my first video I was not going to replace the decals. Since then I've changed my mind. I did get a whole complete decal kit. Brand new aftermarket skis. The other ones weren't even worth trying to fix. I'd have to patch it so many times that it just wouldn't look right. Probably wouldn't hold. And the handlebars used to be chrome. I actually painted these with a Duplicolor. It's their version of chrome. It's not going to exactly look like chrome, but it's good enough for me. I'll show you what I used. So we're getting there bit by bit. I'll show you the underneath the suspension here. As you can see, I painted it up, replaced bolts. All the idler wheels, I put new bearings in. The shock absorber is still original. I'm going to see if I can pull it out again and see if I can match it up to something close. I have done that before and it's worked out on the other snowmobile. And the seat I'm going to have recovered. This is the original covering. It's held up pretty good through the years, but you can see it's starting to crack. Of course the wood's rotted away, so the hood, I got that repainted. I just got to wait for the paint to cure, and then I'm going to coat it with some clear coat. I have it covered up because I'm clear coating some other pieces. Alright, this is John Deere Man 2009. Thanks for watching.